Welcome to the Awesome Kids Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw a cute little kitten. Let's start drawing his sparkling eyes, and then we draw his nose and mouth. Wow, look, our cat is looking so cute. Now we'll draw his face, ears, can you tell what do we call this? Now it's time to draw his body. Can you tell me how many legs does a cat have? Yup, it's 4 little cute legs which has adorable lovely paws. I love kittens' paws so much. Do you like them too? Let's finish the outline by drawing fantastic tail. Wow! Our cat is looking awesome. Let's start painting now. I love orange cats. So let's paint his face and body with sparkling orange color. Awesome, our kitten is looking so fluffy. Let's paint his tie with sparkling red. I will paint his nose and ears with light pink. Wow! Our kitten is looking awesome. Drawing is amazing, isn't it? Thanks for drawing with me today. I hope you had fun.